The legend is back, faster, smarter, and more aggressive than ever before. Meet the Ford Mustang GT 2025, the car that redefines modern muscle. For decades, it has stood as a symbol of American power and performance. Today, we explore the brand new Ford Mustang GT 2025, a perfect fusion of tradition and innovation. The 2025 Mustang GT carries forward the aggressive fastback silhouette, but with sharper aerodynamics. The redesigned front fascia features bold LED headlights, a wider grille, and sculpted lines that improve airflow. From the muscular hood vents to the sporty rear diffuser, everything screams performance. Under the hood, the Mustang GT 2025 comes with a 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, delivering around 480 horsepower and thrilling acceleration. The roar of this engine is enough to give any car enthusiast goosebumps. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused digital cockpit. The dual 12-inch screens combine the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a seamless, customizable experience. Premium materials, sporty bucket seats, and advanced driver assist features make the GT not only fast, but also comfortable for everyday drives. Behind the wheel, the 2025 Mustang GT offers a balance of raw power and precision. With selectable drive modes, adaptive suspension, and improved braking systems, it's built for both the track and the street. Whether cruising on highways or pushing it on corners, this Mustang delivers excitement in every gear shift. The starting price of the Mustang GT 2025 is expected to be around $44,000 USD, depending on trims and options. Considering its performance, design, and heritage, it remains one of the most affordable muscle cars that deliver supercar thrills. The Ford Mustang GT 2025 isn't just an update. It's a rebirth of a legend. More aggressive, more advanced, and more thrilling than ever before. So the real question is, are you ready to tame the beast?